Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Six Sigma and lean manufacturing to discuss a crucial performance metric called Rolled Throughput Yield. If you're interested in process improvement, quality management, or simply boosting efficiency, then this is the video for you. So, what exactly is Rolled Throughput Yield? Well, in simple terms, it's a way to measure the overall quality of a multi-step process by looking at how many defect-free units make it through all the steps without any rework. Essentially, it shows you the chances of getting a perfect output by the end of the process. Let's talk about how rolled throughput yield is calculated. RTY is found by multiplying the yield of each individual step in your process. The formula looks like this: RTY equals Y1 times, Y2 times Y3 and so on, up to Yn. Each Y represents the yield of a specific step. The yield of a step is just the ratio of defect-free units to the total number of units processed at that step. Simple enough, right? Let's walk through a quick example. Imagine you have a process with 3 steps. The yield for step 1 is 95%, for step 2 it's 90%, and for step 3 it's 85%. Here's how you calculate RTY. So, your rolled throughput yield would be 0.726 or 72.6%. This means the likelihood of producing a defect-free unit all the way through your process is just over 72%. Even though each step might seem efficient on its own, the overall yield can really take a hit when you combine them. Now you might be thinking, why does RTY matter? Well, it's important for a few reasons. First, holistic quality measurement. RTY looks at the whole process rather than just individual steps, giving you a more realistic picture of your process quality. Second, focus on process improvement. If your RTY is low, it points out where you need to focus on improving. Each step adds up, so even small inefficiencies can lead to big problems. And third, defect management. RTY helps you understand how defects compound across multiple steps, pushing you to reduce errors at every stage of the process. So, to wrap things up, rolled throughput yield is an essential metric in manufacturing and quality management. It helps you see how efficient your entire process is, not just individual steps. By improving RTY, you're ensuring higher quality and fewer defects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content on Six Sigma, lean manufacturing, and process improvement. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.